Block 58, Phon-Er, go dropping by to say what up. I'm driving to Coffee Bean to get some coffee beanie and get some boosted, just get boosted and stuff, you know. And yeah, and then after I'm gonna go get some battery change for some cool dude at ABC Studios in Los Feliz Village. It's like a private studio, and I think they're all actually private studios, but this one is like it's called ABC, but it's not really like the ABC 7, but they work for ABC 7. They work with them, so it's like the other chapter of ABC. So we're here right now, the Coffee Bean. Actually, can I see that? I got the Coffee Bean. It's a beautiful Monday. It's beautiful weather. It's 100 degrees, but I love it. I love summer really much. And I'm super happy about summer. That's the bean. You see it? That's the bean. It's the bean, guys. Guys, that's about it. Going in right now. We'll see you soon when the battery repair starts in ABC Studio. So in the meantime, thank you for watching this Phon-Er, and I'm out with a peace. Cut for now. True fan. Hey guys, we just left the Prospect Studios and we are heading back to our car. The second one that we're doing is the backlight issue on the actual chip motherboard, so we couldn't really change we couldn't really fix the problem even if we even tried to change the screen, but it still didn't really solve the issue because it was actually on the logic board, so no screen change was going to do it. That's where I was at, Prospect Studios. Pretty cool. It's all really nice. That's about it. I'm going home now. Yeah, we just left, and I'm just gonna go home and do some editing and etc. and get this video uploaded to you guys so you guys can see and enjoy and laugh a little, just chill, enjoy the cool experience that we also experience ourselves, and just have a little bit of a break. You all need a break, everyone does, including myself. So alrighty guys, thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and this is the end of vlog 58. That's a wrap, and thank you for watching, and amazing fam. Have a beautiful day, great morning or afternoon or night, and I'll see you guys in vlog 59. This is Phon-Er Gold, and that's a cut. Peace. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. True fam.